With this video, you will not forget, okay? So that is the dynamo, the alternator. This is the engine belt, okay? The engine belt is being turned by the crankshaft, right? When you start the engine. So the more speed this guy got, okay, the more accurate your test will be. That's why, when you want to do the charge test, it tells you, to keep the accelerator to 2.5. Now let's try charge test, okay? Let's try. One person should operate it and see. Let's see what happens. Nothing, right? So meaning we have to start the engine, right? Okay. Yalla. We have to go back. Start the engine. Okay, come back. Come. Now you see, this belt is turning. It's turning everything, including the steering. You see? Yeah. So the more you accelerate, the faster it will go. If you do now, if you accelerate, it will go fast, right? Good. Now let's go to charge test. Charge test. Okay. Start engine. Press enter. Now it will tell you accelerate to 2.5. Okay? Yeah. Come, okay, don't worry, I will show you from this video. Now it will say increase RPM to 2500. I will do that. So enter. Press enter. Wait. Okay. So now charging
Loaded 13.7,
14.
unloaded.
Voltage. Okay. So this is how to do the charging test. First you connect. Make sure your connections are always secured, right? Before you proceed with it. I want you to accelerate. Yeah, accelerate. So the more you accelerate, the faster this guy will go. Okay, that's enough. So that's for the charging test, okay?